What's up, you guys? SEMA 2024, packed with cool builds, crazy rides, and some defense. Now, you know Matt from Mouseblocker. We use products all the time. Matt is here with some new products, great innovation. Yeah, it's all about defending, well, your car, your ride, your trailer, and even bigger spaces, right?
That's right. So we are releasing here at SEMA, this is the new Mouseblocker 360.
Okay.
So this is 360 degrees of protection.
Nice.
But designed now that you can use it outside.
So outside. So think carports or something like that. Think boats, think RVs, right? Put that under an RV, scatter the mouse away and around, right? They don't get in your boat. They don't get in your RV, right? Carports?
Exactly. So this is water resistant. So
Okay.
it's safe for those spaces. So crawl spaces and carports and campers and RVs where we never had
crawl
protection.
Spaces. Think about that in your home, crawl spaces. I've got one. You probably got one too, and it's probably got mice in it. All right, whole lot of defense gets, really protecting your rides, your vehicles, your house, your garage, your shops. You got it covered, man. So 360 degrees of basically mouse deterrent. So I see a big long cord, right? That's new. What other features does this thing have?
Yeah, this is great. 15-foot cord,
Nice.
so it allows you to put it underneath the space that you're trying to protect. You don't have to keep crawling under there to get to it. 360 degree of protection, 4 speakers all the way around. Still does up to 1,000 square feet. Perfect carports, garages, attics, basements. Set it in the center of the room.
Yeah. And then watch those mice get out, right? We've all seen the damage when it comes to what mice can do to your ride. The best defense against them, right here, Mouseblocker. All right, find it online, check it out. If you have mice, they're a problem. And this, my friends, can fix it. So can that, so can that, so can that, so can that.